Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a very delicious Oriental style recipe, and it's broccoli and mushroom in chili garlic sauce, which is best to enjoy with some noodles or fried rice. So friends, let's get started with the making of this amazing recipe. And here in this bowl I've taken a packet of button mushroom which has been cleaned and washed, and I've sliced them into half like this. Next, in this bowl I've taken a small broccoli cut into florets of medium portions like this, and I've included the soft stems as well, cut into small portions like this, and I have steamed the broccoli florets for faster cooking. Then here I have taken bell peppers, red and yellow, cut into medium chunks. One large onion cut into chunks of medium portion after separating the layers, and capsicum into medium chunks like this. And since we are making chili or hot garlic sauce, you will need lots of garlic. I have taken here 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Then here I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger, finely chopped, the white part of spring onion as well as the green part which has been chopped. And now we shall prepare a spicy hot sauce. For that we'll take a bowl, and into it goes 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce. Then goes 1 teaspoon of vinegar. For spiciness I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of Schezwan sauce. Then goes 1.5 tablespoon of tomato chili sauce. If you don't have tomato chili sauce, you can add tomato ketchup also. We'll gently stir this once, and now we'll add water gradually and stir the sauce well so that all the ingredients are well combined. See to it that the sauce should be of running consistency, not very thick. So our sauce is also ready, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we'll heat some cooking oil in a wok, and when the oil is hot enough we will add the sliced mushrooms, and on medium to high flame we will stir fry the mushrooms until water from the mushrooms evaporates and they turn golden brown in color. And for that we need to keep on flipping and stirring the mushrooms in between until they reach this stage. And once the mushrooms are well fried, we will add the steamed broccoli florets. We will stir fry them for a few seconds, and since the broccoli florets are already steamed, they won't take much time to get cooked. We'll now make some space in the middle of the wok, into which we will add the minced garlic as well as the minced ginger. We'll now saute the garlic and ginger along with the broccoli and mushrooms until they turn golden brown in color and the broccoli mushrooms are well infused with the flavor of fried garlic. This will take about 1 to 2 minutes. And by now our broccoli and mushrooms are well fried along with the garlic and ginger, and you'll get a lovely aroma of fried garlic as we have added lots of garlic. And now time to season them with some salt as per taste, around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes, or as per your spice level. We'll mix the seasonings well along with the veggies. And now time to add the remaining ingredients. Here goes the white part of the spring onions. We'll stir fry them for a few seconds. Next goes the onion chunks, yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers and capsicum chunks. We'll stir fry them for just 1 minute so that they are well incorporated with the veggies along with the seasonings. But remember not to overcook them as you want to retain their crunch. Alright, and now time to add our spicy sauce which we had prepared earlier, along with 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the flavors. We'll mix the sauce well along with the veggies. And finally into this we will add 2 tablespoons of corn flour slurry which will make the sauce thick. We'll mix this well and we'll let this sauce simmer for another 1 minute. So by now our dish is almost ready, but before turning off the flame we will garnish it with some spring onions. That's it, and now let's serve this hot. And here goes our Oriental style broccoli mushroom in hot garlic or chili garlic sauce. So do try this awesome recipe and enjoy with some fried rice or noodles. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.